Johar, a very good morning to all of you. Today, our chief guest, or I can say the chief executive chef, will be the Dr. Steffi Teresa Murmu, and she will explain about the Jharkhand cuisine. She don't require so much of introduction because she is watching, she is working in encyclopedia in itself. She has promoted a lot about the tribal cuisine, tribal art, tribal craft to the whole country. So, please welcome Dr. Steffi Teresa Murmu for today's class. Welcome, madam.
Thank you so much, Johar, to everyone. I am Dr. Steffi Teresa Murmu, and thank you for the introduction that beautifully you have put it like that. So, though I am not that great as it sounds, but then yes, I am indigenous myself, and I belong to the indigenous society, and that is particularly Santhal. So that's how I have. I know about the cuisine because by blood I am that, and I have been working for this cuisine and rest of the indigenous culture, music, tradition, and so many other things. So I did my PhD also in it. So here I am today for the indigenous cuisine. So come with us, and we will introduce today's menu, and that is. We have tried to make it. The first one is rasi, that is the appetizer, that's the soup. And then we have jil sura, it's a kind of rice preparation. Then we have jil pitha, that is bread preparation. Then hakula, that is fish smashed one. I mean, I don't know the exact translation of that. It's a cuisine. And then we have the fifth number is Amda chutney and kurthi ka chutney. These are the two chutney preparation, as you can see by its name. And then we have the sweet dish or the dessert, that is jundra daga. Jundra here is corn, the indigenous variety of corn that we will be preparing. So this is today's menu, and please come with us for the cooking. So before going for the recipes, the main ingredients that we use for the recipe, let's take a look on it. So here are the ingredients. We have the tomatoes, we have this ambra, and I don't know the English of it. It's a kind of fruit which is available here locally. And then we have the spring onions, we have small fishes, this is also locally available. Then we have the date jaggery, and then we have rice flour, and then we have ghee, and this is corn, makai ka dardara pisa hua aata. We have mustard oil, we have kurti ki dal, then we have rice, this is usna chawal, and then we have the masalas here. This is panchforan, this is mustard seed, then we have green chilies, whole chicken, whole country chicken, then potatoes, this is lesson, then we have onions and salt, turmeric, and then lal mirch, then we have jeera, we have dhania. So these are the things that we are going to use it today. So let's start cooking then. This is basically, we have to smoothen the surface through the knife. We just have to make it little smoother. So for the amda chutney, as you saw that we have to remove the hard part of it. So here they are all peeled. So now we will be going to cook it. Light this stove, and then we have to take a utensil, let it heat for a while. Here we have we'll take some mustard oil. This is heated. Then we have to put some panchforan. Now we will take the amra. By the time it will again overheat होगा, फिर होगा. Put some haldi. Salt. And some red chili powder. So we will cover it now for a while. You see the amra chutney how moving. So it smells good. I guess we need a few more minutes. It is soft, but then we will keep it for 10 to 15 minutes more. Now we will add jaggery to it. So here we are with the date jaggery, locally available. So we will try to break it. This chutney will be sweet and sour. So this amda chutney is all looking delicious, and you can see this, the amda and everything cooked well. So now it's done. Done.